So good evening guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's discuss about the best stocks for intraday trading for tomorrow with a brief analysis. And guys, if you are new to stock trading and want to master trading strategies in derivatives and equity, then you should definitely consider enrolling to our well-structured 1-week training program, which is all about stock trading, which we are providing in online and offline as well. So guys, if you're interested, definitely contact us using the details in the description for further informations. And dear friends, if you want to trade with us, please utilize the daily free video series that we are providing on this channel. And if you are new to trading, you can open a Demat account with us in Upstocks, which is a discount broker well preferred for beginners. You can start the procedure by just clicking on the link in the description. So without further delay, let's go to the analysis and do watch the second part of the video where we discuss about the performance of our previous day's stock picks. So let's go to the video. So hello guys, so these are the picks that we are providing for tomorrow. So the first pick is HDFC Life. So in HDFC Life, you already know that this pick is from yesterday's watch list, so I'm actually not explaining too much, but as you know from yesterday's video, this is in an uptrend and this uptrend line is broken and you can see a short-term inclined uptrend line right here, and the price is actually consolidating, and today also it took support over this trend line. Okay, so if it break below this trend line, you can go for a shorting opportunity, or if it managed to break above this level, you can go for a breakout opportunity or a long position. So these two levels are the important levels that you have to consider, which is above 695 you can go for a breakout. Above 695 it will be an impulsive wave of this uptrend line. Okay, so below 674, above 695 it is a long position, and this is the support zone for short position. So below 674 you can go for a breakdown. So that is the case of HDFC Life. And the next pick is Godrej Properties. So in Godrej Properties, the bigger picture, I will show you the bigger picture. So this is the major trend line that we have drawn using the previous two higher lows. So this white line is the trend line that have been respected multiple times, and right now also the price took support over here and started rallying upward, and it took resistance over this downtrend line. Okay, right here within this uptrend line you can see a small downtrend line right here. So the price took resistance over this downtrend line and it is consolidating in that range. So these are the levels that you can consider in Godrej Properties. So above 1446 you can go for a breakout. Okay, so above this level you can go for a breakout, and below 1379 you can go for a breakdown. Okay, so I will show you the relevance of the breakdown level because this is an important Fibonacci level. The first reason is the current trend is the short-term trend is a downtrend, and the second reason is it is about to break out. So if it breaks above this level you can go for a long position, and if it goes below this level, which is an important golden price level, which is 0.382 Fibonacci level, which is 1379, if it managed to break below 1379 you can go for a breakdown. So that is the case of Godrej Properties. And the third pick is Kotak Bank. So in Kotak Bank, the long-term view shows that it is in an uptrend, but it is being rejected by a resistance zone even in an uptrend. Okay, so this dotted line is the major resistance zone in this uptrend. So the price have been falling whenever it hit this resistance zone, and right now it is consolidating near to this area. So these are the levels that you can consider. Before that, the short-term view is also a downtrend. Okay, so this short-term view is for the past few days it is in a downtrend line and it has been respecting this trend line for a while. So if it managed to break above this trend line, you can go for a long position, and if it managed to break this support zone, you can go for a short position. Okay, so these are the levels you can consider, which is 1804 or 1805. Above 1805 you can go for a breakout, and below 1773 you can go for a breakdown. So those two are the levels that you can consider in Kotak Mahindra. And the next pick is ICICI Prudential. So in ICICI you can see it is right now in a downtrend, but the major time frame you can see in the bigger picture. I will show you the bigger picture. It is in an uptrend. Okay, this is the most recent trend line that we can draw using the recent higher lows. So right now the price is at this support zone, which is the support zone of this trend line, and it started bouncing upward. Okay, so you can hope for an impulsive wave from this support zone above this level, or you can hope for a breakdown below this level, or you can hope for some scalping opportunities in shorting level. Okay, because there is a small downtrend line in the 5-minute candle. You can see a small downtrend line. So if it break below this level, you can scalp and go for a short trade. And if it breaks above this level, which is 473, if it breaks above 473, since the major trend line is uptrend line, you can go for a long position, and the next immediate resistance zone is 443. So above 443 you can go for another long position. Okay, so these two are the important levels that you can consider for long position, and this is the scalping level for short position. So below 428 you can go for a breakdown. Below 428, if it manages to break down below 428, you can go for a breakdown. So that is the case of ICICI. So the next pick is HCL Tech. So in HCL Tech, it is in an uptrend. You can see the price have been respecting this trend line, and right now it is consolidating near to the trend line, and it is kind of making a triangle pattern. It is not a perfect triangle, but what I am trying to say is that the price is not actually making a proper higher highs, but it is making higher lows since it is an uptrend. But it is trying to make a higher high, but it failed to make a higher high. So the strength of the uptrend is actually diminished right now. So you can hope for a breakdown or a breakout. So let's go for the smaller picture in the shorter time frame. Okay, so this is the case of HCL Tech. So you can see a small uptrend line right here, which is the most relevant trend line within this major trend line. So here you can see a consolidation for the last 2 days. Last couple of days the price have been consolidating in this region. So above this level you can go for a long position, and below this level you can go for a short position. So these are the levels that you can consider. The long position level is 989. Above 989 you can go for a long position. So if you want to go for a short trade, you can short below these two levels. So these two levels are important Fibonacci levels of the swings, of the previous two swings. So these two levels are very important for short positions, and this level is for long position. So above 989 you can go for long position, and below 969 you can go for short position, and below 955 also you can go for short position. So these are the picks that we are providing for tomorrow. So guys, first pick that we have given for today was HDFC Life Insurance. So you can see right now in HDFC Life Insurance, this was a triangle pattern, and the triangle has broken down, but it took support over our horizontal support zone, and we don't have a proper trade in this because it was consolidating within our range, and it actually perfectly respected our level right here. Okay, so that was the case of HDFC Life, and the next pick was LIC Housing Finance. So this is the case of LIC Housing Finance. The market started at this region, and it break down our level, which was 416. So that was our level that we have considered today. So exactly market started at this region, and after that we have this breakdown, and it took support over our horizontal support zone, and actually we have a scalping opportunity right here as well. So if you have ended at this breakdown, then you could have made a proper profit from this short trading. So you could have made a profit of at least a minimum of 1.27 percentage, which is 5 points, and a maximum of 1.97 percentage, which is 8.20 points. Okay, so that was the case of this breakdown. And after that, if we are considering the second level, which is 411, you can see that we have so many multiple scalping opportunities right here below this level. It was a proper scalping opportunity of 3 points, which is 0.7 percentage, and another scalping opportunity of 2.50 points, and another one exactly of the same. So we have 3 scalping opportunities, which is a proper trade which have a profit of more than 0.6 percentage, and this one have a profit of more than I think more than 2 percentage. No, almost 2 percentage. Yeah, almost, not almost, exactly 2 percentage from this breakdown. So that was the case of HDFC Housing Finance, I mean sorry, LIC Housing Finance. And the third pick was Auro Pharma. So in Auro Pharma, you can see the price started right here, and it shooted up in the morning session, and we have this breakout right here. The breakout was right here. We have a breakout, and after that price break inside that level, and again we got this breakout. And after the evening session, I mean at the evening session, we have perfectly this price took support over our support zone. Okay, so these are the multiple tradable opportunities that we have got today. So if you measure this from this single breakout, you could have made a profit of 10 points, which is more than 1 percentage. And again we have this breakout again from this level, which again give us a proper target of 1 percentage. So that was again a good trading opportunity. And you can see right here exactly it took support over our support zone at the evening session, and it bounced back towards the upper direction. So if you have entered at this retest, you could have made a profit of 0.74 percentage. So that is the case of Auro Pharma. So we have total of 3 tradable opportunities right here. And the next pick was Sun TV. So in Sun TV, you have this breakdown below our level. So you can see exactly here we got this breakdown, and after the breakdown it went really down till 466. So you could have made a profit of 1.58 percentage from this single trade in Sun TV. Okay, so that is a case of that. And the last pick was Voltas Limited. So in Voltas Limited, you can see it was a triangle pattern, and it kind of tries to break out above this level, but unfortunately it came back inside the level. But we don't have a proper trade, because these yellow lines were the levels that we have considered, but our opportunity was right here. So it fell down after trying to break out the triangle pattern, and it break down this triangle pattern, and it took support exactly at our support zone and bounced back to the resistance zone of this triangle pattern. So if you ended at this support zone, you could have made a profit of 1.11 percentage, which is 10 points. And after that it fell down and it break down the level. So if you have ended at the breakdown, you could have again made another trade which you will end up in making a profit of 5 points, which is 0.59 percentage. Okay, so that was the case of Volta. So these are the picks that we have given for today. So hope you have enjoyed the video. So guys, if you like this video, you should please consider subscribing to our channel, because most of the people who are consistently making profit and watching our video are not actually our subscribers. So guys, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon, and please like our video and give us your honest feedback through our comment section. That's the way we can improve. That's the only way we can improve. So please do that, and see you guys tomorrow.